Welcome back to Life of Khushi. So आज I'm gonna do an accommodation tour of an accommodation called IQ Leeds. It is a very popular student accommodation here in Leeds. तो अभी I'm just waiting for my cab. I live near the city center. तो यहाँ से अगर बस से जाते हैं तो अराउंड 28 minutes लगता है सिटी सेंटर से IQ जाने में. बट मुझे थोड़ा लेट हो गया था, मैं पहले कहीं काम पे गई थी. एंड लाइक द फ्रेंड हु विल गिव द अकोमोडेशन टूर ही ऑल्सो हैज़ टू गो समवेयर. तो मैंने सोचा अभी बेटर रहेगा मैं कैब कर लूँ. तो कैब विल जस्ट टेक मी अराउंड 10 minutes टू रीच. एंड कैब कॉस्टेड मी अराउंड £5. वेराज अगर बस से जाती मैं तो सिंगल साइड की एक टिकट £2 की आती है. सो आई हैड टू वॉक डाउन लिटिल बिकॉज पहले मैं मेन रोड पे थी एंड वहाँ पे कार नहीं रुक सकती है. And when I saw the IQ building, I was really amazed by how big it is. Like they have so many buildings. The best way to book an accommodation is going through Amber Students. Aaj we are going to see IQ Lead. So if you like just search that on Amber, it will like give you all the details about the property. They have like a lot of different kind of rooms. तो उसमें सारी information available रहती है. The different types of rooms they offer, the prices, the tenancy durations. And Amber also provides you support from like their executives, and they also guarantee like the lowest prices. So if you want to book through them, तो description box में I have attached a link. Do check it out and just fill that form. उसके बाद में their executives will get in touch with you and they will take care of all your student accommodation needs. इस पे जो amenities available हैं and like distances from the university और लाइक ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स अराउंड, ट्रेन स्टेशन अराउंड, ऐसे फ़िल्टर्स भी वेबसाइट पे मेंशन रहते हैं. तो ये आप खुद भी देख सकते हो. सो आई हैव रीच्ड हेयर. ये दिस इज़ द मेन IQ बिल्डिंग, लाइक जहाँ पे रिसेप्शन है. सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग हेयर फॉर माई फ्रेंड टू कम. एंड मुझे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली लाइक 7-8 minutes लगे यहाँ आने में. एंड इट लुक्स लाइक इट्स अ वेरी ह्यूज प्रॉपर्टी. लाइक आई थिंक वो भी जो सारी बिल्डिंग्स दिख रही हैं वो भी IQ लीड्स की हैं बिकॉज आई सॉ द बैनर देयर. So when my friend Praneeth came, he told me that indeed like all of the buildings which were there वो सारी IQ की ही हैं. And every building has like different kinds of apartments, like अलग अलग sizes हैं. Then some buildings have like studio apartments. ऐसे करके they have made different blocks. And Praneeth lives in block B, so we are going to do a tour of like the block B and see how the apartments there are. So just beside the block B, they have this place where the laundry room was, and we couldn't go inside because some work was going on. But I was told that usually they charge around £6 for a washing cycle, including like washing and drying. That can obviously change, but just an estimate. After seeing the laundry room from outside, we finally entered the block, and Praneeth ka flat was on the 8th floor, so that is where we went. वहाँ की जो like lobbies थी, they were like so huge and confusing because I think they have a lot of flats and all the different blocks are also connected. So in this apartment there were like 5 rooms and all the rooms were en suite, which means like washroom was included inside the room. So every student living there has like their own room and their own washroom. This is what the room looked like. I felt like it was pretty cool. It had like a good storage area, and what I really liked was the white theme that they had going on, and also the view was no doubt amazing. And I think यहाँ का जो room है वो काफ़ी modern built था. And this is what the washroom looked like. Again, it was like quite good. Like there was like a separate shower area and storage space also. They had under the bed storage, which is very beneficial. Like I utilize that a lot. I think every student does. And they had one cupboard, which is also like pretty standard for like most student accommodations in the UK. So overall, like I really like this room. So this is Praneeth. Thank you so much for like giving us the tour. So just like some basic questions. What is the rent like here?
So I'm paying 170, right? So I think they have increased for the next intake.
Yeah, they always do that. Like every year they keep on increasing the rent.
So I'm paying 178 per week. So
alright.
Sums up to something
And
very bad maths.
yeah, like that's fine. Like 170 per week, I think that's still pretty good. And यहाँ से university कितना दूर है?
यहाँ से like approximately takes 10 minutes for me.
Like
So,
walking?
Walking, yeah.
That is pretty good. Like that's a very good
walking.
location.
Just see the rasta. But bus will take the whole. It doesn't go to Uni. It goes.
Yeah, I think you have to go to the city center
Yeah,
first,
city.
no? So that is very long because city center itself
City
is like
center will
28
take around
minutes.
30 to 40 minutes.
Yeah, I checked before coming. It was showing me around 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright. So this is like the kitchen and living room. Your living room is like really huge.
Kind of kitchen.
But like at our accommodation, it was not this big. Like we did not have a separate table. Yeah.
It's different to this flat is like this. Different in every flat, like the opposite floor.
So like which one is the biggest?
This one's the biggest.
Okay. And this is the kitchen. Even the kitchen storage looks like pretty good. Like not all the student accommodations have like enough kitchen space. And from the living room, even the Parkinson's building of University of Leeds was visible. I really like the views from IQ Leeds. Like हर तरफ से there were like lush green beautiful views. Apartment tour हो गया था. उसके बाद में we were going to see the different blocks and the amenities. Oh, that is a different block.
So this is B and that is A.
Okay, so like all the blocks are interconnected.
What is going on?
अच्छा हम लोग अभी जिस ब्लॉक से जा रहे थे वहाँ पे स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट्स हैं. So like अंदर से we came like to another block and now we are out to where I was standing earlier. That is the main building. So this is the A block. This is where like all the amenities like gym and common areas are. So we are just going to see that. So this is just a social space where you can hang out with your friends and like play pool here. यहाँ का इंटीरियर काफ़ी कूल लग रहा है.
This is newly built.
Okay.
Because पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था.
Yeah.
So now I think I don't know they did something. This used to be in the laundry room which I showed you guys.
Yeah.
So then we took it off and we shifted here.
So like they made this room this year.
Yeah. This like around the October, November.
Okay.
It's completely new. It gets lively during night.
Yeah.
People come, sit, they play pool, they drink, we chat. So,
It's a nice vibe.
yeah, it's a nice one.
This is another social space.
Yeah.
So here they have a microwave. So is this like a kitchen or just a room where you can hang out?
You can hang out, you can sit, you can study, you can cook, wash.
So is this also newly built?
Yeah, this looks new.
So this looks like a really good space if you want to like hang out with your friends ऐसे normally रात में, and if you want to study or work then ये पूरा side उसके लिए काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. After seeing both the social spaces, we are going to see where the gym is. IQ has like a lot of different blocks. I knew it's a big accommodation, but I didn't realize like इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा. Like आसपास जितने blocks दिख रहे हैं, that is like all IQ student accommodation के rooms. The hallways there are like huge and they were like definitely confusing for me. Like मैं अकेले होती तो I would have definitely gotten lost there. And then we finally entered the gym. The gym was pretty good. It was like not huge or like very big, but basic. आपको अच्छे से workout करने के लिए जितनी भी equipments required रहते हैं, machines required रहती हैं, वो सब थी वहाँ पे. It was a pretty good decent space, especially for a student accommodation. Mostly student accommodations के जो gyms रहते हैं वो इसी size के रहते हैं. That way like my accommodation where I live, Triangle at Iconic, I think they had the biggest gym. So Praneet just told me that all the blocks there are like connected under se. So
Different block.
yeah, we are like going from the gym wala block, which is B3 I guess, to the block where Praneet lives. That is right, no? Like this is B3.
This is B3.
And we are going to B2.
B2, yeah.
So that is pretty good कि the blocks are internally connected. If you want to go to the gym and like बाहर weather ठीक नहीं है या जो भी है तो अंदर से जाना it makes it easier. So when we came back to the apartment, Praneet's flatmate Apurva, she prepared lunch. So we just all of us like we sat down to eat.
Hi.
So these people are so sweet. I came for an accommodation tour and they were cooking, so they insisted. So now like we are all having lunch together. So I'm just walking out from IQ. That is like वो जो पीछे building दिख रही है वही IQ है. I'm going towards the bus stop now. And Praneeth also told me later कि यहाँ पे international guarantors they accept because UK की काफ़ी सारी student accommodations में आपको या तो upfront payment करना रहता है या फिर आपको UK guarantor प्रोवाइड करना पड़ता है which is a bit difficult, like not everyone knows someone in the UK. तो इस अकोमोडेशन की चीज़ मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी कि ये लोग इंटरनेशनल गारंटर्स भी एक्सेप्ट करते हैं which means कि like your dad or like your family in India they can act as your guarantor as well. Now I'm just walking towards the bus stop. It's just like 2-3 minutes walk from the main reception. Oh, it's right there. So I reached the bus stop. It's like barely like a 2 minutes walk from IQ. Actually not even 2, it's just like 1 minute from the main building. And यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है buses towards Leeds City Centre and that is where I have to go. Overall I really like the property. Basic सारी necessities की जो चीज़ें होती हैं वो सब यहाँ पे हैं. And I feel location भी काफ़ी convenient है because University of Leeds is just a 10 minutes walk from here. And अगर आपको city center जाना है तो भी बस है, तो बस से you will reach in around 25-30 minutes. And I asked them, तो they told me कि like bus connectivity भी काफ़ी अच्छी रहती है, like हर 10-15 minutes में there is a bus. So in case you miss one, you can just take the next one. अभी I'm just at the bus stop waiting for my bus. And if you are an international student who's planning to come to the UK and you are looking for an accommodation, then I know like the process can be really tiring and confusing. So do check out Amber Students. They have like all the properties listed on their website and they give like the best price guarantee as well. अगर आपको किसी और वेबसाइट पे उससे कम प्राइस में सेम अकोमोडेशन मिलता है तो they will do the price matching for you and all of their properties are like trusted and verified, so security का issue नहीं रहता है. Plus you will have an Amber executive who will be assisting you finding your dream accommodation because सबके अलग अलग requirements रहते हैं in terms of amenities, location या फिर room size. आपको en suite room चाहिए तो वो सारी चीज़ें बहुत confusing हो जाती हैं खुद से ढूंढने के लिए. Finally my bus arrived. Actually didn't take long. I just had to wait for like 4-5 minutes and I really liked the journey back home because मैं पहले कभी बस से इस एरिया में आई नहीं हूँ तो मुझे काफ़ी सारी like नई चीज़ देखने मिली. So I reached the city center. बस मिलने से यहाँ तक आने में तो मुझे around 12 minutes ही लगे. I think मुझे पूरा 25 minutes का टाइम दिखा रहा था. That was including waiting and walking to the place जहाँ पे मुझे actually like अभी जाना है. उस particular store के लिए वो 25 minutes दिखा रहा था. तो काफ़ी अच्छी है कनेक्टिविटी एंड लाइक बस से ऐसे सेंटर आ जाओ तो फिर तो लाइक एवरीथिंग इज़ पास में एंड वेरी वॉकेबल डिस्टेंसेस. तो एज सच देखा जाए तो बस से यहाँ आने में इंक्लूडिंग वेटिंग टाइम अराउंड 20 मिनट्स ही लगेगा. आई डिड नॉट हैव टू वेट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. मुझे मिल गई थी बस लाइक इन 5 minutes आई गेस. So I was just walking back home and I came to like this grocery store called Co-op to get some things and I realized that I forgot to ask Praneeth कि वहाँ से grocery store कितना दूर है. तो I just texted him and so the closest grocery store to IQ Leeds is a store called Londis and that is around like 2 to 5 minutes walk from there depending on which block you are living in. अपन ने जो ब्लॉक का टूर किया था वहाँ से जस्ट 2 minutes वॉक. आई पर्सनली फील कि लाइक काफ़ी ज़रूरी होता है आपकी अकोमोडेशन के पास में ही कोई ग्रोसरी स्टोर होता है बिकॉज कभी कभार आप कुछ लेना भूल जाते हो तो इट शुड बी ईजीली एक्सेसिबल. सो दैट वे आई फील कि IQ की लोकेशन काफ़ी अच्छी है. वहाँ पे जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं दे आर एट लाइक वॉकेबल डिस्टेंसेस. So as a quick summary, we saw IQ Leeds today. I really like the accommodation. I feel like basic जितनी amenities चाहिए रहती हैं वो सब हैं and आई रियली लाइक कि लिविंग रूम एंड किचन मुझे वहाँ का काफ़ी बड़ा लगा बिकॉज आई हैव सीन लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ अकोमोडेशंस है, उसमें वाला जो स्पेस रहता है वो काफ़ी कम रहता है एंड मोस्टली अकोमोडेशंस दे आर शेयर बिटवीन लाइक 5 people जनरली, तो उस हिसाब से किचन स्पेस इज़ यूजुअली लेस. वो वहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छी थी. एंड लोकेशन वाइज भी आई फील इट्स अ रियली गुड लोकेशन. यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ जस्ट अ 15 minutes वॉक एंड अगर आपको सिटी सेंटर आना है तो बस से इंक्लूडिंग द वेटिंग टाइम इट टुक मी जस्ट लाइक 20-25 minutes. So again, that is pretty good. The rent for my friend was £170 per week, but that increases every year, so that might have changed now. You can check it out. And I really like that they give like a lot of different type of room options as well. I think जो हमने अपार्टमेंट देखा था वो प्लैटिनम था. That is like their most expensive ऐसा proper apartment. Like other than that, studio apartments हैं which might be like higher in rents. But if you want like a shared apartment with ensuite rooms, so I think that was like the most premium category. तो इससे कम में भी they have like different options in different blocks. So I hope you found the video informative and thanks a lot for watching it. If you want me to cover any specific student accommodation in Leeds, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to do that. And thanks a lot for watching the video.